BMP files, which are image files, can be brought in and embossed on material with the attached machine. Under the Files pull down, there's a BMP command, and that is the Jesus sample image. It's brought in. The first button obviously is for selecting files. Then we have the pixel size. That's how much area each pixel will occupy. The detent is the amount of distance it will drop below the surface of the material for a white image or a white pixel. And the maximum depth is how far it will dive the cutting tool to for a black pixel. So between the detent distance below the surface and the maximum depth is the gradients of cut that you will get. The BMP-X is the X coordinate where the image's first pixel is put in, as well as the BMP-Y text box. And if I move the cursor over the top left hand corner, you can see that it's 2.2, 2,2. The rotate button will let you rotate the image. The clip button will put an ellipse around the image, and the pixel size, pixelize, will pixelate it, in that each pixel will be drilled down to the depth of the darkness and then picked up and go to the next pixel. I think I can show that by flipping into 3D version. I've already had it set up. If I do an F2 zoom window, zoom in, and that's pixelized the image. If I go off pixelizing, then it does a line width engraving. And I'm going to zoom out with a Shift F1, and I have a machine attached already. It's off camera, but what happens is when you click on the execute button, it'll turn on the spindle, and then it will start doing a line width engraving. And you can see down at the bottom of the screen the coordinates, and you can see the z-axis changing as it's scanning across the line. This is a way of doing lithophanes. So if I want to stop it, I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to hit the F1 for redraw, and now I'm going to click on the pixelize, and I'll show you what it's going to do. So then I click on the execute, and it goes over, drills a hole, drills a hole, drills a hole, and the depth of the hole is defined by how dark the pixel is for that coordinate. This creates quite an awesome image, but it does take a tremendous amount of time for something like this to be done. It's there as something that we thought we'd experiment with, and that's the BMP import.